Hello and welcome to Unity Game Development course. In this course you will learn and build Tekken game clone. You will learn and build complete fully functional 3D fighting game just like Tekken using Unity game engine. You will learn how to add multiple characters just like in Tekken game, and then choose any specific character as your main character and start playing the game. And you can also select stages. You will also learn how to add multiple stages, multiple game maps in which you can start the game just like in Tekken. You can pause the game and then you can resume the game, as you can see. So you will learn how to pause and resume. So this is a complete step-by-step course in which you will learn all these things step by step using Unity game engine. You will learn how to implement interactive UI using which you can check the controls, and you can also have the multiple character selection menu where you can choose any character as your main character, and how to choose any game stage from the options. And then of course you can choose the stage and start playing the game. And when you win the game, it will show you the win screen menu, or if you lose the game, then it will show you the lose game menu, the lose game screen.